The overall goal of this procedure is to measure exposure levels in the 2.4 GHz band while avoiding uncertainties caused by the use of personal dosimeters as measuring devices, body shadowing, limited sensitivity range, and non-identification of the source.
The main advantage of this technique is that it provides unperturbed measurement regarding E-field exposure conditions, improving the use of exposimeters as measuring devices in compliant tests. Because uncertainties associated with the use of exposimeters are avoided, this method is appropriate in the regulatory field, providing reliable data that can be contrasted with the threshold defined for unperturbed exposure conditions.
Carry out the test in an indoor enclosure with a radiation source. This access point is on the ceiling and is turned off to prepare the dosimeters. A test subject will walk toward and away from the source along this path. In some way mark a position 1.5 meters from horizontal position of the source. Have a test subject face the source at a distance of 12 meters. Use 3 dosimeters similar to this one and prepare them to sample every 4 seconds. Place one dosimeter on the lumbar area of the person's back. Place a second on the person's front at waist height. For the third dosimeter, use a carton tube 1 meter in length. Count the dosimeter in the tube's end so that it can be held away from the subject. With the radiation source on, turn on all the dosimeters as close to simultaneously as possible. Have the subject hold the tube at shoulder height with its dosimeter toward the radiation source. Direct the subject to walk directly toward the radiation source at 10 centimeters per second while maintaining the tube with the